everybody, I'm Rebecca and I'm at our Paper Source Lab store in downtown Chicago. I am standing in front of all of our brand new date books, and I'm going to show you how you can take a date book and personalize it with heat embossing.
So, little trick, I like to start by priming the surface with dryer sheets to prevent any extra powder from sticking to the cover of the book. And then I use Peg's alphabet stamps to snap together my initials, and I coat them with a clear Versamark ink. Then you just apply even pressure and stamp it down on the cover. And then I'm using a gold embossing powder to coat the area I stamped. You get all the excess off, and then it's ready to heat set. I use a little brush sometimes if there's anything clinging. And then hold your heat tool about an inch or two away and heat it up until the powder melts down and you see that beautiful shine.
Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to stop by your local paper source and they can help you personalize your date book.